Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to construct a triangle given the length of its three sides. Okay, for example, draw triangle XYZ such that length of XY is 6 cm, length of YZ is equal to 4 cm and length of XZ is equal to 5 cm. So how you are going to draw? Let us draw a rough figure quickly and show the given information in its as accurately as possible. For example, side XY is the longest. So, in the rough figure 2, XY should be the longest side, which we will draw on the base. So, here rough figure is drawn already. So, see the longest length we have taken as base, that is length of XY is 6 cm and other two sides we have mentioned in the rough figure. So, first step, according to the rough figure, segment XY of length 6 cm is drawn as the base. Second, as length of XZ is 5 cm, draw an arc on one side of the segment XY with the compass open to 5 cm and with its point at X. So, we will keep here measure with the compass 5 cm and draw the arc. Third step, next with the point at Y and the compass open to 4 cm, draw an arc to cut the first arc at Z, draw segments XY and YZ. So, we will keep on point Y, we will use the compass on the ruler, we will measure 4 cm, then keep the point on Y and we will mark the arc, we will get the intersecting arc and join that, and this is our required triangle. A similar construction can be drawn on the other side of the base as shown below. Means either upwards you can draw or either downwards we can draw. So let us begin with our problem set 2. Practice set 2. Question number 1, it is given, draw triangles with the measure given below. First A, in that A, in triangle ABC, length AB is given 5.5 cm, length BC is given 4.2 cm and length AC is equal to 3.5 cm. Here longest distance, can you see, length AB is equal to 5.5 cm. So we will start. So first quickly we will draw the rough figure. Okay, so longest is, length of AB is 5.5 cm. So this is my rough figure now. So this is 5.5 cm and the name is given AB. Okay, now using this length BC is given 4, we will draw the triangle rough quickly. So here this is C. So AC is 3.5 cm and BC, the length is 4.2 cm. Okay, this is the rough figure. So we will construct here. So first we will draw the base, that is of length 5.5 cm. So we have drawn the segment AB base, that is 5.5 cm. Now using the compass, take the measurement. AC is given how much? 3.5 cm. So take the distance 3.5 cm. Okay, and keep on point A and mark the arc. And BC is given how much? 4.2 cm. So take the distance 4.2. Okay, 4.2. Keep on point B and mark the arc. We got the intersecting arc. Mark that, and what is the name I have given? C. So give that C and join this point C and A and join C and B. Okay, and give this is 3.5 cm and this is 4.2 cm, and this is our required triangle. Next B1, it is given, in triangle STU, length of ST is equal to 7 cm, length of TU is equal to 4 cm and length of SU is equal to 5 centimeter. So here longest distance is ST, that is 7 centimeter. So quickly we will draw the rough figure. So first we will draw the base, that is 7 centimeter, and the name is given ST. Then TU it is given. TU it is given. This is U, so it is given 4 centimeter, and length of SU it is given 5 centimeter. So first we have to draw the base, that is 7 centimeter. So okay, so this is ST 7 centimeter. Now take the compass. SU it is given 5 centimeter. So adjust the distance 5 centimeter. And draw the arc keeping on point S. Then UT it is given 4 centimeter. So again adjust the distance on the ruler 4 centimeter. Keep on point T and mark that. Since it is not intersecting, again I will take the distance 5 centimeter, since SC is 5 centimeter. Okay, and again mark it. So where you got intersecting, you got intersecting arc. So mark the point and join US, point U to S and point U to T. Okay, and then this is what, how much, 5 centimeter, and this is how much, 4 centimeter, and this triangle STU is the required triangle. Now we will go for the next, that is C. It is given in triangle PQR, length PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, length QR is equal to 3.8 centimeter, and length of PR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So quickly we will draw the rough figure. Okay, so here it is given a rough figure, longest length 6 centimeter, and name is given PQ. Okay, so here PR is given 4.5 centimeter, and QR it is given 3.8 centimeter. So quickly we will do. So draw PQ of length 6 centimeter. Okay, so PQ it is 6 centimeter. Then take the distance PR, it is given 4.5. So adjust on the scale, PR it is given 4.5. Make the arc, and length of QR it is given 3.8. So take the distance 3.8 on the compass and keep on point Q and mark the arc. Since it is not intersecting, so again PR, how much it is distance? 4.5. So adjust on the scale the distance, keep on point P and make the arc. Okay, so you got the intersecting arc. Mark that point, and this point is R. So join PR and join RQ. Okay, and again PR distance is 4.5 centimeter and RQ distance is 3.8 centimeter. So triangle PQR is the required triangle. Now question number 2. Question number 2, it is given, draw an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means a triangle having any two sides same. Okay, when a triangle having two sides same are called isosceles triangle. Here base is given 5 centimeter and other sides is given 3.5 centimeter. So here 5 centimeter is the longest distance. So in rough figure we will draw, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, and I am giving the name IBC. Oh, sorry, ABC. Okay, so, and this isosceles means a triangle having any other two sides are same. Isosceles means two sides are same. So here this is given, other two sides 3.5 cm. So 3.5 centimeter, and this also 3.5 centimeter. So we will start. So draw base BC 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the base BC 5 centimeter, and then distance you take on the compass 3.5 centimeter. Okay, adjust it 3.5 centimeter. So keep on point C, since both the sides are same. Keep on point B. We got the intersecting arc. So mark that intersecting point over there. Use the letter A. Then join AB and AC. So this is 3.5 centimeter and this is 3.5 centimeter. So isosceles, these two sides are same, so we are showing with the symbol. Okay. So the triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now next question. Question number 3. Draw an equilateral triangle with sides 6.5 centimeter. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are of same measure. Okay. So quickly we will draw the rough figure. I will give the name ABC. Okay, all sides are same. That means all sides are 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so I am showing with the symbol. So first we will draw the base, that is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, the name is given BC. Segment is of length B. Since this is 6.5 centimeter, so I will measure with this only. Okay. So keep on point C, make the arc. Keep on point B, make the arc. You will get intersecting arc. So where it intersect, mark the point here and give the letter A. Join it A to B and A to C. Okay. Since they are equilateral triangle, means all the sides are same. So symbol is also shown. So now write down 6.5 centimeter. B is of length 6.5 centimeter. Length BA is also 6.5 centimeter, and length of AC is also 6.5 centimeter. Now question number 4. Choose the length of the sides yourself and draw one equilateral triangle, one isosceles triangle and one scalene triangle. So isosceles means a triangle having any two sides with the same measurement. Okay, three sides are there. Among that, two sides are of same. Then equilateral triangle means all the measurements of all the sides are of same measures. Okay, and scalene means all the lengths are of different measures. Okay, so we will begin with the first, that is equilateral triangle. Okay, so here I am taking all the measurement 5 centimeter. Okay, give the name B, C, take the compass, and other two sides I am taking 4 centimeter. Okay, so adjust 4, keep on point C 4 centimeter, keep on point B, and it is 4 centimeter. Mark the point A intersecting arc, then join AB. Sorry children, I am for isosceles. Here it is given equilateral. I have written heading here. So here this I have taken 5 centimeter. So all the sides, equilateral triangle means all the sides should be same. So taking the same distance. Okay, we got the intersecting. All the sides are of 5 centimeter. So join AB and join AC. Okay. So all the sides are same. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are of same measurement. So here BA is also 5 centimeter. Length of BA, length of AC is also 5 centimeter. So triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Now next it is given. So equilateral triangle means all the sides, the measurements are same. Here I have taken all the sides are of 5 centimeter. Now next it is given isosceles. So isosceles triangle we will draw. So here I am taking the base 5 centimeter. Okay. So base I have taken. I am giving the name BC and I have taken the measurement 5 centimeter. And since isosceles means other two sides are of same measure. So I am taking 4 centimeter. Okay. So keep on point C and keep on point B. Okay, you got intersecting arc. Mark that point. Give the letter and join AB and join AC. Okay, this is your isosceles triangle. Okay, and these sides are AB is 4 centimeter and AC is 4 centimeter. Here these sides and these sides are of same measurement. So equilateral triangle means all the sides are of same measurement. Here I have taken all the sides 5 centimeter. Isosceles triangle means a triangle having any two sides of the same measurement. So here I have taken length AB 4 centimeter, length AC 4 centimeter and base 5 centimeter. Now scalene triangle. Okay, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the triangle having all the sides of different measurement. So here I will take base 5 centimeter. Okay. So base I have taken 5 centimeter. Okay. Then from here I have taken 4 centimeter. And next I am going to take another side, I will take 3 centimeter. it is not intersecting. This side I have taken 4 centimeter, so take that 4 centimeter. Okay, and see that it is intersecting. Okay, so give this intersecting point as A, then join it. AB I have given 4 centimeter, means taken 4 centimeter, and AC I have taken 3 centimeter. Okay, since all the sides are of different measurement, we can show with the symbol. This symbol indicates, see here, say 1 line I have shown, 2 line, means all the sides are of different measurement. Okay, thank you. And next problem set 3 I will solve in the next video.